Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a chord of a circle of radius 4 cm subtends a right angle at the center. What is the area of the corresponding minor segment? Here we have given O is the center of a circle and AO, BO are the radius of the circle, which are given as a 4 cm. AB is a chord which subtends 90 degree at center O, that is angle AOB is 90 degree. So area of minor segment is given by area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. Now, area of sector AOB is given by pi into r square, that is radius square, means 4 by 4 into 4 divided by 4, minus area of triangle AOB is 0.5 into r square, that is 4 into 4, which is 12.566 minus 8, which is 4.566 square centimeters. Hence, area of the minor segment is 4.566 square centimeters.